Hi guys, I think you would also have this doubt that are affordable makeup products really worth it or are they just hyped? So in this video, I'm gonna review some affordable makeup products to see if they are actually really great as the high-end ones or not. So some of these makeup products have been in my vanity from a long time, and the other few products I just bought it recently to just try and see if they perform great or not. So in this video, we will see that are these makeup products just affordable or they actually perform great. Let's start with the first product, which are these viral Mars Cosmetics lipstick. ये एक टाइम पे इतनी viral थी because it is affordable. So I really wanted to try and I have been using this since like 1 year, and my reviews are that it is such a good lipstick at a really affordable price. I have these three shades, which is 10, 2 and 3. This was in a combo pack. तो ये three lipsticks का एक pack आता है, which is more affordable as compared to getting one lipstick at a time. I got this in the reds and maroon shade. You can get like very pretty shades like nudes and pinks. I'll just swatch it out for you. This is in the shade 10 and this is such a pretty peach shade. This is my favorite shade from all these three. That's how this looks like. So one thing I'll tell is कि ये packaging के हिसाब से बिल्कुल similar है as compare. See, this is very similar to this packaging color, which is I think a great thing because mostly so many lipsticks are very misleading. जो उनकी package में होता है वो थोड़ा different निकलती हैं in terms of the color. Next is this shade that I'm wearing also. This is like a maroon and you can say it's more like a dark maroonish shade, and this is actually very dark. I have put it very light. I'll just show you the swatch because you will understand it more nicely. This is the color. Next is this 03 shade. This is a very dark brown shade, and this lipstick is actually great to pair with some light nude shades to just create good looks. And that's how this lipstick looks like. This is also very pretty shade and same as the packaging. One thing is that it is not really long lasting and you have to reapply it a lot of times. Also, this is not smudge proof or transfer proof. That means ये बहुत easily smudge हो जाएगी. You can see this is all smudged. One thing that I would say is these are very creamy lipsticks and it glides on super smoothly. I've seen a lot of reviews that says that it kind of makes your lips pigmented and like darken, but I haven't seen this in my case. मेरे case में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था. I feel this depends person to person. I'll rate these lipstick a 9 out of 10. Product is also from Mars Cosmetic and this was so much viral that I had to try this. मैंने ये अभी नायका की सेल से मंगाया था and it was delivered just in time. So this is the Mars Cosmetics Candylicious Lip Gloss in the shade Cherry Cola, and this particular shade was so much viral and so much hyped, so I just wanted to see this one thing. I really heard that the packaging is not really great and it may leak, but I haven't used it much. मैंने बस एक बार इसको use किया है. The color looks really pretty and it smells like cherry cola. I have to pair this with the lip liners. I have it in the shade, this is Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 12 Brown Mocha and in the shade 10 Lusty Pink. These are, I think, great brown and pink shades for your everyday look. I think I should put this lip liner because this is the one that will go the best with this look. This glides super smoothly and are very affordable also. It was just for like 69 rupees. Swissss Beauty lip liners are also just the same. You can even get that because बिल्कुल same है, color payoff भी अच्छा है, smoothly बिल्कुल glide करते हैं, and I think these are the best lip liners at a very affordable price and इसमें कुछ भी मुझे ऐसा खराबी नहीं लगी. This is like a 10 on 10 for me. Okay, I think I have to try this with you guys. I have seen this one thing that it has a very sheer coverage and this is what it says also. It doesn't last long because gloss is not for long lasting thing. It's just to hydrate your lips and you have to reapply obviously. But the color shade looks very pretty. Let me just try it in front of you. I feel like this gloss is such a baddie coated gloss. Even though मैं अभी baddie लग तो नहीं रही हूँ because I'm wearing like Indian clothes today. But I think this is such a nice shade. Maybe you can't see much because मैंने lipstick के ऊपर लगाया है. I'll just give you a swatch so that you get a fair idea of the color of the gloss. That's how this looks like. I think it's a very pretty color, very shade color. I think this looks very pretty with other lipstick, but if you want to use it just for hydration and a little bit tint, then also you can use it. I've also tried the Swiss Beauty lip glosses, and one fair difference which I saw is that जो Swiss Beauty की lip gloss होती हैं वो थोड़ी thick होती हैं as compared to Mars Cosmetic, but this is very nice. वो lightweight feel मुझे actual में अच्छा लग रहा है. One thing that I've heard is कि इनकी packaging is not really great and these leak a lot. See, I haven't seen that thing because मैंने ये अभी मंगाई है, so I haven't experienced that thing. But I had other products from Mars such as Mars की lip mist and that also kind of leaks. One tip for you if you want to use them, ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टली मत रखना इसको अपने मेकअप ड्रॉअर में. कीप इट इन वर्टिकल फॉर्मेट जिससे जो सारा प्रोडक्ट रहेगा वो नीचे की साइड रहेगा एंड इट विल नॉट लीक मच. दिस थिंग हैज सेव्ड माई लिप मिस्ट फ्रॉम गेटिंग फुल्ली फिनिश्ड इवन विदाउट यूजिंग इट बिकॉज फिर मेरे पूरे पैसे वेस्ट जाते. दिस इज अ great shade and I would rate it like a 8 out of 10 because it's very nice, it is very hydrating but not long lasting. Because it already says that it is a sheer coverage lip gloss, then I think we shouldn't argue because as a customer हमें already पता था कि ये sheer coverage देने वाली है, so I shouldn't expect much. This is priced at 249. I got this for rupees 220 in the sale and I think इससे कम price में भी आपको मिल जाएगी. I think it's a steal deal and you should try it. Let's move on to the next product which is the Insight Cosmetic blush. Okay, so this was so much viral on the internet and it was viral for its good reasons. This blush is very affordable and it is very good for like college students. I also got this from the recent sale and this was for around 99 rupees. I think वो वैसे भी 100 rupees का होता है. कुछ as such मुझे इसमें डिस्काउंट मिला नहीं. And because इसकी pigmentation अच्छी है, so you don't have to use very much. The shade I have is Raspberry Gelato. This is very creamy, smooth textured. You can see I just took very little bit of product and it looks very pretty, very natural looking. So everyday looks के लिए this is a very pretty shade. So yeah, I don't have like lot of to talk about this product because it is genuinely really well and I think you should just get it. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it just do all the job that it says. Next, I'll tell you about a lipstick again. This is the Insight Cosmetics lipstick. This lipstick is very affordable. It was just for rupees 99. Like literally 99 rupees mein I didn't expected much from this lipstick, but it is so good. Just see the shade. Okay, I'll just tell you the shade name because I actually forgot. This is A21 Belgian brown shade and I think this is such a pretty nude shade for your everyday looks. I'll just show you. So this is not like a creamy lipstick, it's more sort of a matte lipstick. I think it says it's a matte lipstick. Packaging is also really great for the price. It claims that it is super long lasting, which is false. It is not super long lasting. Like you have to apply it after eating a heavy meal and I think 3 to 4 hours के बाद वो actually थोड़ा fade होने लगता है, but the color is still there but not as darkened as you applied in the first go. So that is kind of a false statement. Next is high color payoff, which is very true. It is very pigmented, guides flawlessly. Yes, it does. Soft matte finish. It is very like velvety textured and I quite like these type of lipsticks also. Whole range of shades. Yes, it did had a lot of shades and I wanted something nude, so I went for this. It gets a 10 out of 10 from my side. You can get the other colors as well and I feel like I'm also gonna buy some more shades in this. Next is a BB cream. So I'm not like a BB cream girly, I'm mostly like a CC cream girly. I use the Lakme CC cream but I wanted to try some BB creams at affordable prices because वो everyday के लिए चाहिए तो थोड़ा affordable would be more great and I got this like Insight Cosmetics की BB cream. This is the first time that I'm trying BB cream. As I told you, I didn't had any expectation but this was so affordable. This was just for rupees 155 and packaging in the bottle also looks great, but it didn't had much range. I got the shade medium beige, and you can see it is very light. But after using it, I saw this one thing, that it glides on your face very nicely and it doesn't look very odd, and वो मेरे color के हिसाब से adjust हो जाता है. I don't know how, but it kind of is like a very good shade for my skin tone. One thing I disliked about this is this smell. It has very talcum powder smell, like जो पुरानी makeup products में आती थी ना smell, बिल्कुल वैसी smell है इसकी. And I literally get like a headache from these type of smells. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna apply this much. The product is great. It is very like light coverage foundation, BB foundation sort of, very light coverage, and that's what I wanted when I know that I'm gonna buy this. First of all, this also has SPF 15 in it, which is great. Like for this price, it also has SPF in it. The thing is, it performs its job really well, but the only disadvantage or limitation is its fragrance. And if you're okay with the fragrance part, you can go and buy this right now. It says light diffusing powder that covers imperfection while giving luminous finish. Okay, so it is like a powder, that is why maybe it has a very talcum powder smell. But it says it is light coverage, and it is actually light coverage, especially formulated for Indian skin tones. Okay, see, the formula is great, but the range, as I said, is not really Indian skin tone friendly. You mostly fair skins pe hi jayegi. If you have like medium to dusky skin tone, I think you should go for another VB cream and not this one, because it's just a waste of money for you. Next is this Mars Cosmetic Dance of Joy eyeshadow palette. This was so much viral on Instagram, and particularly ये वाले shades काफी viral थे. So I wanted to try this. For an eyeshadow palette, this is very affordable. That's how the packaging looks like. This is in the shade 02. These are nude shades, and I think the shade range looks very, very pretty, and I really love this. The pink shades were quite like funky and काफी ज़्यादा bold थे वो. Pigmentation of these palettes are so good. It has like a little bit of fall off, but like not much. Okay. Okay. Can you just see the glitter? Like, I had to show you. It looks very pretty. This is such a pretty shade. Wow. And just see, so pretty. Okay, I'm so pretty bolti रहूंगी. But this pink one is also very, very pretty shade. With this look, this is gonna look very pretty. I haven't applied any sort of concealer, so this is like on my bare skin. A really great base shade to go with. भी as such दिख नहीं रहा है because मैंने बहुत थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट लगाया है, but the pigmentation is great. It has a little bit of fallout, and this is me first time trying this palette because I haven't tried it before, and I think I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 for the price. Guys, this is so affordable. Next we have is this smudge free lip mud from Inside Cosmetics. This came as a gift. I didn't want you to actually try it, but as a gift aaya, so I was like, let's review this also. This is the shade 12 Day Breaker, and this is a very pretty nude shade. Again, I think that I am a nude girly. I think I shouldn't say it, but I feel like I'm a nude girly. I'm just gonna show you the shade. This, oh my god, it smells like chocolate. Like I am in a chocolate factory. Like it smells heaven to me because I love chocolate. That's how this looks like. This is the shade. This is like quite light from the previous Inside Cosmetic that I showed you. So it's a very light, very pretty, nudish, peachish shade. And this is a matte shade. It is smudge free. It is also kind of transfer proof because वो इतना ज़्यादा transfer नहीं होता है, बहुत ज़रा सा होता है. And बाकी pigmentation actual में रहता है. Also, this is quite long lasting. I had my full meal and it stayed. It actually stayed. You have to reapply it after 6 to 7 hours. It has long lasting coverage. Correct. Smooth muddy texture. Yes, it is like very velvety sort of texture, which I am really liking these days. Ultra matte finish. Correct. Air light texture. मॉइस्चराइजिंग फॉर्मूला, स्मज प्रूफ एंड ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. These are all correct. ये claims बिल्कुल correct है इनके. This was for rupees 200 around. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it just do everything that it claims. Next and the last is Lakme lipstick. Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. This is not like very affordable. It was for rupees 650 and with discounts and everything I got it for rupees 450. So 450 में ये lipstick मुझे अच्छी लगी. The formula is great, but one thing that I dislike about this, it says it's a 9 to 5 lipstick, but it doesn't stay. मतलब ये बहुत जल्दी उतर जाती है. It is not long lasting at all. This is not smudge proof. This is not transfer proof. तो ये चीज मुझे थोड़ी अच्छी नहीं लगी. But I would say this one thing, it has a better formula as compared to other lipsticks. थोड़ा formula अच्छा है, but that's it. बाकी कोई काम मुझे लगा नहीं as such. This is the shade of this lipstick. It's very pretty. The shade brown walnut, and that's how it looks like. The packaging is really great. The product is very less for 400 rupees, but I think इतने ही के ही आते हैं for these type of brands. I think it's just good and you can try it, but I am not gonna repurchase this like once again. And also I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10 because I feel it's just okayish. Like, yes. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section which product you like the most and I'll see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.